Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Maximalist Investor. Hope you are doing good. My today video is about the topic named as what does TradingView do? TradingView is a platform that lets you customize technical indicators, create charts and analyze financial assets. These indicators are patterns, lines, shapes and that millions of traders use every day. TradingView is entirely browser based with no need to download a client. You can also download an app for iOS and Android if you prefer a mobile experience. Let me tell you about TradingView in Binance. Binance has built-in TradingView tool in its exchange UI, allowing users to create charts and trading simultaneously. The tools you see on the left side of the screen are just a small selection of what's available and offer a similar experience to TradingView website. Some of you are thinking how expensive is TradingView? As we mentioned, TradingView is free for everyone to use. There are also paid subscriptions that increase the number of indicators and charts you can view simultaneously. For beginners, a free account with one chart and 3 indicators is good start. You can see more details on the differences in packages on your screen. Now a question comes, what is TradingView's social network? TradingView offers Instagram-like features from sharing and showing off trading strategies. The website's ideas and stream pages give you a chance to pick up tips or get feedback. If you navigate to Ideas page, you will see chart, videos and commentaries from other users. Community members can also get involved in discussions and chat rooms. But remember that any users can create and share ideas, so be careful. Every trader has a different style and strategy, so you should not take these as financial advice. Now listen carefully, I am going to tell you about how to understand the TradingView UI. If you have never used charting tools before, TradingView can look a bit confusing. Look at the toolbar 1. This toolbar contains all the charting and drawing tools usable directly in the chart area, from simple line to long short positions. There's a lot to explore. You can also right-click each tool to see an extended selection. Now look at toolbar 2. Here you will find options to change the look of the chart. You can choose between candlesticks, line graph, area graph and more. There's also a search bar on the left to change the asset displayed. Now look at the toolbar 3. TradingView does not offer a brokerage edge service. You will find a list of partners you can exchange with if you already have an open account with them. You can also backtest your strategies using the strategy tester function. Now come on toolbar 4. This section mainly covers news and TradingView's social elements. You can customize your watch list, private messages to other users, explore ideas and streams, and access a personalized calendar. How you can personalize your TradingView charts? Everyone has their preferences when it comes to chart layout. Customizing colors, lines and axes makes it easier to read and understand your graphic quickly. You can find all the options you will need by right-clicking the graph area and clicking settings. Once you have clicked settings, you will find yourself in the window where you can play with the range of options. Let's quickly go through the basics. Click on the sample and let you change the way that your candlesticks chart look. Every part of candlestick pattern can be color coded the exact way you like. On the second, status lines contains options to change the information you will find in the top left of the chart, such as OH, LC, open, high, low and close price, data and buy and sell buttons. Scales provides options to change the tracker you can see on the right hand axis. For example, you could add days high and low price or the countdown to bar close. Click on the appearance and let you change your grid lines, background color, axis and other cosmetic features. Trading allows you to customize visual elements if you have logged into a broker account. Events gives you option to display dividends, split and other events on the chart area. Drawing trending lines. To start the tutorial, select the line tool from the left side toolbar. You also might want to turn on the magnet tool. Your lines will snap to any nearby OHLC point, which is helpful to improve accuracy. For a downtrend, start at local high point before a price dip, known as a swing high. Click where you want the line to start and try to include as many highs as possible. Click again when you want to complete your trend line. Point 1, 2 and 3 indicate points of resistance. It's always best to have at least 3 points testing your trend line, as 2 points could be coincidental. Point 4 shows a breakout from the trend, meaning that it's best to draw a new trend line. Now we come on the pros and cons of TradingView. The pros are HTML5 charting. Any device with an internet browser can access TradingView. You don't need to install any software and can view your chart anywhere. Free membership. Anyone can access the majority of features available. Server-side alerting system. If you set an alert, TradingView will keep track of this on their servers. You don't need to have TradingView open to receive alert notifications. Binance compatibility. While you can't access Binance from TradingView's website, you can use TradingView in Binance Trading UI. You can easily buy and sell crypto with Binance and also create charts on the fly. Scripts. More advanced users can create custom indicators saved to TradingView's servers. This feature is powered using PineScripts, TradingView's custom coding language that is simple to use. Asset selections. There is a considerable amount of equities, securities, commodities, and forex information available to chart. We are not just limited to cryptocurrencies here. Backtesting. Once you developed a strategy, it's simple to backtest using the inbuilt feature. Now I am going to explain cons of TradingView. Community issues. While the streams and ideas tab concepts is interesting, the quality of what you will find varies greatly. A lot of advice given is highly speculative and not very helpful for new users. Customer support. The TradingView community commonly reports problems with TradingView's customer support. Only paying customers can raise issues and free users receive no support. Brokerage integration. TradingView has incorporated some brokers and trading platforms, but the options are still quite limited. Thanks for watching video. Keep watching our informative videos. Take care. Goodbye.